Welcome to 50 Plus Tech. Today I'm going to do a super quick review of the Gadget Discovery Club. This is month number 3 for me, and I decided not to continue the subscription. It's not anything to do with quality or whether they're shipping it on time. I just found that I really can't use most of, it's only been 3 months, so maybe not fair, but I wound up giving away both of the items that I got in the last 2 boxes. This isn't being sent to me. This is a real review of somebody who loves gadgets. There's nothing, like I said, quality's fine. They've gotten a little bit on their shipping. Their very first package came to me pretty banged up, so I was a little hesitant to do that, to continue after the first month, but this last one came in pretty good shape. It had a white envelope type thing over it, and it was much more safely delivered, so I was happy about that. And this month I got a, let's see, I've already looked at this a little bit. The only thing is I have a few subscription boxes. I have the filament one that I showed you. I've got one for crafting. I've got one for, I've had the loot box in the past, and I've had different ones, and this just for, I'll put the price, I think it's between $24.99 and $34.99 for this box. And like I said, I gave away the first 2, so it really wasn't I wasn't real excited about it. And for me, the subscription boxes, I like a little bit of excitement with it. When I got my filaments, I was excited about it. When I get some of my other things, it's like, oh, this is really neat. And it seems like, I don't know. There's nothing wrong with it necessarily, but you get one item every month for, and I know that gadgets tend to be more expensive, but I just, for me personally, this isn't necessarily something that I've been enjoying. But so I went ahead and unsubbed, but I wanted to show you what I got in it. I mean, there may be somebody in your life who would just absolutely love just getting the one gadget a month, and they would find use for it. So, although I have to say this one's pretty good. The Infinity 2 solar charger. Oh, and they all have Rise on it, so it's all the same company, it seems to be. I'll have to go see if anybody's gone beyond 3 months, if they've gotten something other than that brand. I really am interested in a gadget subscription box that has multiple different things in it. I mean, even if it's a little cheaper, I'd rather have that than one item for that price. But then I think I might be just more picky than most. But this is my real review. I mean, nobody sent this to me. Okay, so this was kind of interesting. It's a solar charger, and it, I don't know if you guys can see it from there. Okay, there's the solar part, and put that out, and then it charges this block here. And then you can plug in a couple items. Let's see if I can, I opened it earlier because I was looking at it. Okay, so it comes with a couple USB pluggies and a USB-C that you can charge. Oh no, actually that's not a USB-C. That's a micro USB. So yes, but the other thing that's kind of neat, you can keep this in your car, and it has a, let's see if I can get it to work. I worked last time. There you go. And it has a flashlight. So that's kind of cool. So you can keep that in your car and just charge it. Use the solar panel charging. I thought I saw a USB-C on this, and I'm not seeing it. So, yeah, it's a good quality product, so that's not the problem. I have no qualms or any concerns at all about the quality of the product itself. It's a subscription box, and to me that should have a few items in it with, even a, hey, thank you so much for you know, being a member or whatever. It's just, I could go and buy this for the same price as I'm paying for the subscription box. I guess that's what the core issue is for me. It's, and again, it's not the quality. It's the fact that it's just a item stuck in a box with no anything else. Just, and which is too bad because it has potential, because there's a lot of us geeks out there who really like gadgets and like to try things. I'm one that watches Random Frank P, and every other, he has his top X under $50, and I always wind up buying something or something every other. Like there's a macro pad that he showed on there that I'm going to go and buy, but for $30, you know. So to me, it doesn't make sense to be paying for and waiting for the gadget to come in a subscription box when this is the kind of thing we get. So that's all I have for today. I just wanted to let you guys know this is, like I said, not sponsored at all. I paid for it, and I have decided I am not going to continue to purchase this. Again, it's a personal thing. It might work well for somebody else, but for me in particular, I won't be getting these anymore. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.